Blog videos can save you time and provide accurate information. And we know time is money. So you can increase the speed from the video settings of YouTube. For the next video, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you don't miss a video.
Is at capacity right now. Yes, it is really annoying. Just like any other online service, Chatgpt requires servers to operate. And just like every server, they tend to overload in the face of high volumes of traffic. Lately, the Chatgpt is at capacity now error has been a continuous source of annoyance for users seeking to try out OpenAI's outstanding chatbot. Don't worry, there's always room for you at Data Economy. If you've tried to use Chatgpt recently and get a Chatgpt is at capacity right now error message, it implies their servers are now too busy to handle your request. This occurs when the chatbot servers are under an unusually heavy load. You may also get various types of issues, such as Chatgpt error code 1020, network trouble, etc. Know that the chatbot's servers are overwhelmed by the volume of requests they're receiving when you encounter any of these issues. However, a few simple steps can fix the widely used chatbot. The revolutionary Chatgpt by OpenAI, launched in November 2022, is a chatbot that employs machine learning to produce answers to questions and requests automatically. People can't believe how sophisticated and talkative it is. But even if you're ready to chat, Chatgpt can get a little busy. Chatgpt is at capacity right now, meaning, why is Chatgpt not working? When you try to sign up for the AI chat service Chatgpt, an error message saying that Chatgpt is at capacity right now will appear. This signifies that they are momentarily unable to add new users due to a flood of traffic. OpenAI's Chatgpt has 1 million plus active users. Just like any other online service, Chatgpt requires servers to operate. In the face of high volumes of traffic, they tend to overload. For that reason alone, the at capacity error occurs. Due to the high volume of users, the servers cannot process all the requests. Most of these problems can be attributed to the fact that the server is already operating at full capacity. It's also possible that they indicate an issue with your network connection. So, how can you easily fix this? How to fix the Chatgpt is at capacity right now error. If the capacity error in Chatgpt is driving you crazy, try taking it easy for a while and try these solutions to fix the Chatgpt is at capacity right now error. Wait for a little. Refresh the page. Log into your Chatgpt account again. Use a VPN. Use Chatgpt in incognito. Try a second OpenAI account. Clear your browser's cache. Use a different OpenAI API. Avoid using Chatgpt during peak hours. Subscribe to Chatgpt Professional. Check the Chatgpt server status. Use a Chatgpt alternative. Let's take a closer look at the solutions. Wait for a little. If you have time, wait for a little. As was previously mentioned, traffic is a leading cause of the Chatgpt is at capacity right now error. You should wait 15 to 30 minutes if you keep getting the same problem message no matter how many times you try to visit Chatgpt. Within 20 minutes, the problem had probably been fixed. You might be able to log in to Chatgpt if the server load drops significantly. Click the Get Notified When We're Back link to be notified by email when the service is restored. Refresh the page. Let's continue with easy ones. You need to refresh the browser if you want the browser to reload the page from the server instead of the cache. This triggers a fresh request for the page from the browser to the server. Therefore, it is possible that a browser refresh will allow you to use the Chatgpt interface. Log into your Chatgpt account again. Possible issue with your OpenAI account. To find out, log out and back into your account. Use a VPN. Your current location is likely the source of the problem, so you might want to move. Accessing OpenAI Chatgpt from an Android or iOS device makes it simple to set up a virtual private network and disguise your location. You must activate the system's built-in virtual private network to use OpenAI Chatgpt on a Mac or Windows computer. If that doesn't work, try downloading a virtual private network app instead. Chrome even allows you to activate VPN add-ons. Use Chatgpt in incognito. If you keep getting the Chatgpt is at capacity right now message, you might try using it in incognito mode. After doing so, you should be able to access Chatgpt without further ado. Try a second OpenAI account. You can sign up for 2 different OpenAI accounts with the same phone number. So that everyone may use the software without interruption, OpenAI can temporarily disable overly active accounts. Don't you? We have more solutions for you. Clear your browser's cache. To fix the ChatGPT is at capacity right now error, clear your browser's cache. If you're having trouble getting into ChatGPT on Chrome, try these steps to clear your cache. To access the menu on Chrome, launch the browser and then click the three dots in the upper right corner. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up. From there, choose Site Data, including images and files that have been cached, cookies, and any other user information. Click the Clear button. This concludes the cache clearing procedure. Use a different OpenAI API. It's been pointed out that OpenAI's API rate limits are more generous than those of competing APIs. Make use of the faster OpenAI APIs. Avoid using ChatGPT during peak hours. We recommend using the AI tool during off-peak hours if you constantly get a ChatGPT is at capacity right now error message. A large number of people all around the world have been using the free AI application Chatgpt to create material, scripts, codes, and other things. We recommend using this AI tool outside of normal working hours to ensure a smooth experience. Subscribe to Chatgpt Professional. To fix the ChatGPT is at capacity right now error, join ChatGPT's professional service. In the event of a server overload, paying customers will be served before those using a free version. This ensures that you can use the service whenever you want, whenever you need it. For detailed information, we have already explained Chatgpt Professional. Check the Chatgpt server status. In the event that none of the aforementioned steps helped, the issue is likely not on your part. When this occurs, using a tool like Down Detector will allow you to see if OpenAI and ChatGPT are available. Early bird benefits in AI adoption are about to end. Use a ChatGPT alternative. There are other options to ChatGPT if you absolutely need to use it right this second. There are a lot of free writing tools out there, but OpenAI ChatGPT seems to be the most popular. The one catch is that you'd need to track down an AI tool suited to your issue. You're lucky because Dataconomy offers solutions to any problem you might face, like finding a ChatGPT alternative. Best ChatGPT alternatives. OpenAI's ChatGPT is one of the most popular chatbots in the market. But of course, there are some alternatives to it, such as Chinchilla, Notion AI, Chai, Novel AI, Cactus AI, AI Dungeon. Why is ChatGPT always at capacity? The popularity of ChatGPT, an online AI tool, continues to rise. It's having an impact across virtually all professional sectors. Everyone is using it in the hopes that they can get their work done quickly and easily. This is why ChatGPT always at capacity. Other AI tools we have reviewed. We have already explained some of the best AI tools, such as MyHeritage AI Time Machine, Reface App, Dawn AI, Lensa AI, My2 AI Art, Stable Diffusion, DALL-E 2, Google Muse AI, Midjourney, Dream Booth AI, Wombo Dream, Interior AI, Night Cafe AI, QQ Different Dimension Me, Make a Video, UberDuck AI, Mavio AI, Poised AI. Do you want more? Check out the